All right, I have a good news for you. There are two certifications for free provided by Hackviser. Number one is Certified Web Security Expert, which costs around $400 and is now free for limited time. Similarly, we have CAPT. CAPT is also free now. It's again $400, but it's free for limited period of time. So how do we get started? So in order to get this, you got to click on first get certificate. Next, if you don't have an account, you got to create an account, or if you have already created an account, then you got to log in. So let's begin by login, and there we go. Once we sign in, so we are able to access the course here. So we got to complete the process one by one, the requirement, then submit a request. Once we complete all the required modules, we'll get the submit the certification request for review. So once done, expert review and approval will be getting our certificate. Same goes for the CAPT as well, the other certification which you can avail. So that's what it goes. Please do share this video with your friends and colleagues who want to enhance their or upskill their career in cybersecurity. And please subscribe to this channel because I regularly update videos related to high paying ID certification and free certifications, vouchers, and availability, which will help you save tons of bucks. Thank you so much for watching this video.